There are so many things to learn in the English language. So if I'm a beginner, where do I start? The answer is very simple. Start with the three important building blocks of English language: nouns, pronouns, and verbs. Once you understand these three, building sentences will be easy. So let's begin with the first one, nouns. A noun is a name of a person, a place, an animal, a thing, and so on. For example, we use nouns all the time in sentences. That's why they are important for you to learn. Let's see if you can identify the nouns in these sentences. Have you found out? Alright, here are the answers. Let's practice finding out the nouns in some more sentences. And this time I will keep two nouns in each sentence. Here they are. So, could you identify the nouns? Alright, here are the answers. As you can see, we use nouns a lot in sentences. But repeating the same noun over and over again sounds awkward. So instead of repeating the nouns, we can use pronouns. Here are three sentences. In these sentences, we can see that we repeat the noun Matthew 3 times. So instead of repeating it, I can use the pronoun he. Let's use one more example to understand better. In these sentences, the noun Pauline has been used repeatedly. Let's change that. Let's replace the noun Pauline with the pronoun she. Now that's better. From these examples, we know that pronouns are used instead of nouns. They make sentences sound more natural. Let's practice what we have learned. Here are some sentences. Now notice that in these sentences, the nouns have been repeated. What you have to do is change the repeated nouns to pronouns. Okay, have you finished? Now let's look at the answers. Just by changing nouns to pronouns, you have improved your writing skills. Now we will learn about the most important part of the sentence, the verbs. There are many types of verbs, but in this lesson we will learn about two of them, the be verbs and the main verbs. Be verbs are used in simple sentences. For example, and main verbs are simply action words. For example, verbs are very important for building sentences. So let's try some exercises and learn more about them. In this exercise, you have to fill in the blanks with the be verbs. I'm sure you got all the answers right. But anyway, here are the answers. Now let's see if you can identify the main verbs in these sentences. Alright, let's look at the correct answers. Did you get all of them right? So now you know what are nouns, pronouns, and verbs. I have prepared a few exercises to test your knowledge. In this first exercise, you have to read the paragraph carefully and identify the nouns. Have you finished? Let's look at the answers. Let's try one more exercise. Here we'll use the same paragraph, but as you can see, we have repeated the nouns. I want you to replace the repeated nouns with the pronouns. Ready? Let's go. Have you finished? Let's look at the answers. Alright, let's try one more exercise. This time, I would like you to identify the verbs in this paragraph. Done? Let's look at the answers. So I hope now you have a much better idea of what are nouns, pronouns, and verbs. If you want to build sentence correctly and clearly, you must learn these 3 building blocks of English. Good job, you have completed day 1 of English for Beginners. If you want to learn more, make sure to like, share and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.